Ever wonder how some people seem to effortlessly attract success? What if you could turn your thoughts into reality with a simple blueprint? Stay tuned, because this step-by-step guide to the law of attraction could be the key to unlocking your dreams. The law of attraction is all about one powerful principle: like attracts like. The energy you put out into the universe through your thoughts and emotions will reflect back into your life. But it's not just about wishful thinking. There's a blueprint to making it work. Step 1, clarify your vision. What do you really want? Be specific. Whether it's financial freedom, a dream career, or vibrant health, clearly define your goals so you can focus your energy on them. Step 2, align your emotions. Here's the secret sauce. Don't just think about what you want. Feel the emotions as if you've already achieved it. When you feel joy, gratitude, or excitement about your desires, you're telling the universe that you're ready to receive them. Step 3, take inspired action. The law of attraction isn't just about positive thinking, it's about following through. When you align your thoughts and emotions, you'll start to notice opportunities and ideas coming your way. Act on them. Even small steps can create big momentum. Step 4, trust the process. Patience and faith are key. When you align your vision, emotions, and actions, the universe will respond. Stay focused. Trust that things are working in your favor, and let the process unfold. Ready to turn your thoughts into reality? Start applying this law of attraction blueprint today and watch your life transform. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others looking to unlock their potential. Together, we can create the life we've always dreamed of. And click the link below this video for a free Law of Attraction workbook.